The eye does have an effect. There is no doubt in the religion of Islam, in the Holy Quran, that jealousy and the eye can have damaging effects on you. One verse in the Holy Quran says, وَإِنْ يَكَادُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لَيُزْلِقُونَكَ بِأَبْصَارِهِمْ. The kuffar, they wanted the Prophet to fall, to fail, through their jealousy of the eye. يُزْلِقُونَكَ بِأَبْصَارِهِمْ. In Surah Al-Falaq, the last verse says, وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدٍ. Oh Allah, protect me from the shar, from the evil of a jealous person when they become jealous. So we do know that the eye does have an effect. No doubt about that. In fact, one hadith says that the eye, by Imam Ali, I believe, alayhi salam, it says the eye can put a camel in a pot. This is an Arabic expression which means it can kill. Putting a camel in a pot means kill. This is an Arabic expression that they use. Yes, even to the point of death. In fact, there's a hadith that says many people die before their ajal through the eye. So it's real. It's not something that we, should mock and belittle and disregard. That's one. However, at the same time, there are people who are obsessed with ayn. Families obsessed with this concept of ayn. Every bad thing that happens is ayn, ayn, ayn. No. Allah from day one told you, I'm bringing you into this life, and there's trouble in this life. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي كَبَدٍ. We've created the human being in difficulty. There's a test, there's bala. لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ. Bala is a permanent feature of this life. So many of the hardships and difficulties we go through, it's either poor decisions we've made. A lot of times I make mistakes and then I say, oh, this person has ayn and hasad. Habibi, you're the one who made the mistake. Many times we suffer because of our own mistakes. Number two, it's bala. Allah's testing us. So not every bad thing that happens to you is hasad and ayn. There are people who exaggerate and take this out of proportion.